Alright, so I just developed the roll. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to show you guys the success or disappointment. Hopefully this camera works. And this camera works. Let's go, boy. Let's go. That's how you do it, baby. That is how you do it.
What about you, Z?
Welcome back. This is Two-Way Trey. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the Olympus 800 Superzoom S, or the Olympus Superzoom 800 S with some Tmax100. I'm taking a bus. You know, usually you can drive to the location, but it's best if you want to see the environment, take the transportation, the public transportation, and just go from there. And you might see some interesting people. You might meet somebody new. You never know the opportunities you meet or the crazy situations you will be in. I don't want to just take street photos. I don't want to just, you know, take pictures to like put on YouTube. I want to make art to where like something you look back 10 years from now, 5 years from now and be like, damn, that was dope. But I don't know nothing about this camera. I never shot with this camera. I honestly never shot with this camera. I got it for $4 at Goodwill. $4 at Goodwill. But this little switch knob, whatever you want to call it, is a zoom. Zoom in, zoom out. Obviously a shutter button. You got a self timer, you have a timer, you have the EV mode, then you have the flash mode back here. And then right here you can also set different, oh shit, I almost knocked over greatness. But I don't even know how to load this thing. Let's see. I'm gonna load it right now actually. I have like an example right here. We don't read instructions. We don't read instructions. Let me go ahead and read these instructions and then I'm gonna get back to y'all.
This thing is light as hell, like a toy, so it's like it's good because it's light, but it's bad because it's light, and it's bad because it's quiet, which is another good reason why it's good. I don't know. But when I take the pictures, I can't hear it, so I don't know if I took it or not. I gotta look at the top. This viewfinder is super small, so honestly, I'm not even looking through the viewfinder. I'm just going up and assuming that like I framed it right, you know, especially with street people don't want to take pictures of people and be able to like, what the fuck? They all visit you and shit like that. Actually, I'm gonna put the flash off and then turn around and take a picture right now. I don't even know if it took or not. I don't even know, and I don't care. You know, hopefully the pictures are cool. If not, we live and learn. All right, bro, we out.
Hey, turn around.
Thank you for watching. It's Two-Way Trey, and I'm out.